Drill into the details, mastering English phrases. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery behind the phrase, drill into. Understanding such phrases can enhance your fluency and make you sound like a native speaker. So, let's get started and drill into the details of this interesting phrase. The phrase, drill into, can be understood in a literal or figurative sense. Literally, it means to make a hole in something using a drill. However, when we use it figuratively, it takes on a different meaning which we often encounter in various contexts such as education, business, or daily conversation. When used in an educational context, to drill into means to teach someone something by repeating it over and over again until they remember it. Teachers often drill information into students before exams to ensure the material is learned thoroughly. In the business world, drill into might refer to looking at detailed data or reports very closely. It means examining something in depth or getting to the core of the matter. In everyday use, telling someone to drill into a task suggests they should focus intensely and work hard on it. Let's look at a few examples to see how this phrase can be used. The coach drilled the plays into the players during practice. I need to drill into these reports to find the source of the discrepancy. The director drilled into us the importance of customer satisfaction. Remembering phrases can be tricky, but here are some tips. Relate the phrase to a personal experience or a visual image. Use the phrase in different sentences until it becomes natural. Practice the phrase in conversational settings or by writing it down. That's a wrap on the phrase, drill into. I hope this video drills into your memory and helps you in using the phrase confidently in your own conversations. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll master the art of English phrases. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.